guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to do this unboxing, PR unboxing. I contacted MANGROOMER and pretty much made them an offer that they couldn't refuse. So, what we're going to do is unbox this. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is what you get. This right here. Open it up. So this is what came in the PR box. You'll see here. I can't believe it. This is the Lithium Max Plus MANGROOMER shaver. It is by far one of the greatest inventions ever created. Because if you're like me and you have hair like on your back and lower back and you can't really shave it because it's in a hard to reach area, this is the perfect tool. So I'll go ahead and open the box here. There we go. And here it is. So this is how it comes. It'll come like this in the case that holds it all together, and it's in the plastic that you're gonna have to cut open. But here is the actual shaver. It comes with the cleaning brush, the actual shaver itself, a replacement head, which is actually a blade shaver and like a razor too, and then also your plug as well. So we are going to open this up. So, now, going to rip. I'm trying to keep it all intact. That's why I just want to be careful when I'm opening this. So in the back here you have your little booklet of what to do, and it comes with this little MANGROOMER card, which says, "Congratulations on the purchase of your MANGROOMER product. MANGROOMER guarantees your satisfaction with this product. If you are not satisfied with any reason within 2 years of purchase, you can get a full refund." And here's just a basic MANGROOMER card from the team. And this here is obviously all of your instructions and user manual, all of that. So let's go ahead. Open this up. Take this out. There we go. And here we go. Can't believe it. Take this out, and here it is, ladies and gentlemen. Your actual shaver. See? Like that. And also to extend it, there's a little button here. See this button here? Press it in, and there you go. It extends it. Like, it's very sturdy, you know what I mean? It's like if you have those hard to reach, see what I mean? You shave your back like that, go all up and down, and if your lower back, like above your butt area, you can shave all back there, like in the sides. Any of those hard to reach areas, if you got like hair all on your shoulders and whatnot. It's gonna work so amazing. I can't wait to use this. Okay, and then to close it up, push it down, and there we go. Let's see how this sounds. Oh yeah, and as you can see, it's got a flexible head. Let me see here, keep it still. So that way, as you're shaving yourself, it'll contour to the movement and the lumps and whatnot, any bones that you go over as you're shaving. It's perfect. And then all you do is just, see, just like that. And if you look right here, you'll see that it gives you the amount of degrees that it can go up to 130 degrees. Like this, and then it extends too. And then to replace the head, if you want the shaving head instead, you see right here, just press down to unlock. Do it this way, sorry, unlock. And then you turn it like so, and it just pops off. And same thing if you want this head in, put it in, so right there, and turn it. You'll feel it kind of turn and click and lock, and to make sure, slide it up and it actually locks it in place. Now this is for like those, definitely if you have any smaller areas. And there's also a power boost button too. For those really extra hard to reach areas. And if you've let your grass grow in a little bit too long, see? There we go. What we're going to do now, unlock this, twist it open, put this back on, because when I do finally get to using this, I'm going to be using it with that attachment. That back in the box, and then here is the little cleaning brush that it comes with. It comes with 2 different sizes, that one there and then that one there as well. In those hard to reach areas when you're cleaning your brush and the shaving heads. And I'm just going to put it back in the box here. Try to put it back in the box anyways. There we go. Put those right in there. Now, shove this right back in the box here. This, put those down, slides over that, and there we go. So this right here is the, like I said before, Lithium Max Plus MANGROOMER shaver. It is 50% wider shaving head with a 2.7 inch ultra wide blade. It is a patent design and has a 135-degree opening. It also has the Extreme Reach extendable handle. It's an adjustable and a fully extendable handle which locks into place at any length you choose to reach the most even difficult areas of the lower and middle back. It also comes with a charging indicator light and alerts you when your shaver is fully charged and when the battery is low as well. There's also a power boost button which you'll see right here, and that is for the areas of like when you have extra thick hair or lots of hair and you need to trim the thickness of it, then you can use that power boost button and that will help you, give you like an extra boost of power to shave through everything. And then it also has a shock absorbing neck and head. So like I said before, this thing right here and as well as this one here, if you'll see, both of them have those like little indent stripes in them. That is because it's flexible and so it can move left, right, up and down kind of sort of thing. It can follow the contour of your back. And yeah, I can't believe this is it. I've looked at this plenty of times, never thought of actually using it, and then I contacted the company on Instagram, and here we are. I'm still shocked that I have this. But here, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and people who don't really identify with any gender, this is how your MANGROOMER shaver will come when you buy, order, or your PR package, like mine did. Comes in this nice shiny case. It's all brand spanking new, ready to go. It's definitely worth giving it a try, especially for those men who are tired of having hair on their lower back. You can definitely use this. I mean, you don't really have to use it for your lower back. You can use it for any hard to reach area that you have, whether it be like in your bum area or your lower thighs, upper thighs, the back of your thighs. But yeah. Once again, here it is, ladies and gentlemen. MANGROOMER. I'll just give you a quick show of the back of the box there. And there you go. So that is my unboxing video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will catch you guys in my next video. And also don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell so you get notified of every and all updates and uploads that I do to my YouTube channel. I'll catch you in my next video. Peace.